Hello, Nancy Angel here from Audi VW in Fall River, and I just want to take some time to show you the 2023 Audi Q3 that you are currently looking at. Let's dive right in. Hello, Nancy Angel here, and here we go with the 2023 Audi Q3. And as you can see, this vehicle is very gorgeous. This is actually the Glacier white metallic. As you can see, you got the LED running lights on the vehicle. Also equipped, you got the four rings right where they're supposed to be. If you come along the side over here, I want to show you just the body lines and just the design of this vehicle. It is a great looking Q3. This comes with a few different packages. One of the packages on this one is the 19-inch wheel package with all season tires. They normally come with the 18-inch wheels. If you come over here to the side, one thing that I do like about these vehicles is you do get the indicators on the mirror on the side, so the vehicle in front of you can see where you want to go. You got keyless entry on every door. We move right along. I just want to show you the back of the vehicle. As you can see, the Q3 just looks absolutely amazing in the back. Updated tail lights. You have your sensors right on the bumper over here. Of course, the Q3 showing you the type of vehicle it is. Let's hit this button. Power lift gate on it. As you can see over here, right in the back, it comes with the monster mats. You got your regular season mats. You do got the 60-40 split if you do want to put something in the vehicle that requires more space. Let's shut this. So you can see you got a button to shut it. If we come over here along the side, I just love all these body lines, how they are on these on this Q3. Let me show you the rear seating of the Q3. As you can see, it is a gorgeous interior. This is actually a beige interior with black around the doors. Very comfortable to sit in. You can fit 5 passengers comfortably in this one. People in the back also have their own connection on the back. You got 2 ports for to connect your phone. So you got 2 USB-C ports right in the back. And now I want you to see the interior in the front, and we're gonna dive right into this. All right, Nancy, and here we are inside the Q3, and I just want to show you a couple things on this vehicle. First, I want to start over here with the door panel. As you can see, you got your power windows over here. Right in the back, which is so convenient. You can actually put child lock right over here. You don't have to get out the door, open the door, and hit that little button. You could do it right from your seat over here to protect the kids. You have also over here your power folding mirrors, also heated as well. You got your power lock buttons over here right by the door handle. As you can see, everything is nicely contrasted. You got the black with the matte silver going around. Also, I don't know if you can see it, but towards the bottom over here, you have 2 options to set your seat, so that way if it's more than one person driving the vehicle, you can actually set your seating to whatever you guys want it and feel comfortable. You have your button for the trunk right over here. Just pull it and the trunk will open, and it also will close. And I just want to move up a little bit over here. You probably can't see it, but right around the side over here, you have your buttons for your lighting. You can just turn them right on. You can put them on auto, never have to touch them again. And this display is just amazing. As you can see, guys, Nancy, this vehicle did just come in, so that's why you see all the lights are going to be illuminated right now. Once they service it, everything will come out nice. But I can still show you this vehicle. You have a digital display over here. If you go to the side, you got different options. All right, over here you got the button. You can scroll down, see whatever you want, whatever screen. Right now it's on please refuel. We got to put some gas in this thing. If you move over here on this side of the steering wheel, you can pick up calls. You got voice command. You got your volume right over here as well for the radio, just making things convenient for you. The steering wheel, very comfortable, leather wrapped. You got obviously your 4 rings right displayed right in front of you. And let's move over here towards the middle of the Q3. As you can see, everything is touchscreen. Right over here, this is your comfort zone. You got dual climate control. You got your heated seats. You got your fan speed and where you want the fan to come out. Okay, your button to select your different drive modes depending on how you feel comfortable driving. You have your traction control. You have your auto stop start button. Some people don't like it, some people love it. It's great because pretty much you get to the light, it'll feel like the engine's gonna shut off. It just helps you save on gas. And yeah, you have your other buttons over here for your sensors, your parking sensors right here. When you're gonna take off, if you hit that button, it'll show you a surrounding of the vehicle, letting you know that it is safe for you to take off. All right, slide this over, you can actually change the camera view. Okay, there you go. Wireless charger, you just place your phone right on there and it will charge it for you. You got your 2 ports so you can connect your phone and charge them there. USB-C, not USB. Also, as you can see right over here, this is where your electronic parking brake is. Just lift that up and it will put your emergency brake on. I just want you to look at these seats for a minute. Nice beige interior. You got your gray stitching going all around the seat. Also, as you can see how this is all displayed over here, is showing you the quattro, letting you know that this car is all-wheel drive, usually like every Audi is. And yeah, also check out this mirror. You got auto dimming mirror. This is awesome, with a little compass right there letting you know which direction you're headed. And last but not least, I want to go over these buttons over here, which is your interior lighting. Just hit these buttons and you can see the lights turn on. Okay, you got your SOS button and you have your button for the sunroof. All right, Nancy, there you have it. There is your 2023 Audi Q3. It is available. Please come and ask for me if you have any questions. Again, my name is Angel Diaz. The number here is 508-678-5555. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day.